Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by inspecting and collecting the right parts. Good foam darts, spare soft heads, a slim needle, and silicone lube. Once done, trim any crushed tips cleanly so the head seats squarely. Uneven foam makes flights erratic. Make sure the head glues flush. Tiny gaps trap air and misdirect shots. You want consistent length and tight head fit to stabilize velocity and spin, so do these checks now before any mods or adhesives. Once heads are seated, you stabilize and tune mass for truer flight. Carefully inject tiny amounts of hot glue or silicone to secure the head. This prevents wobble while keeping weight minimal. If range is inconsistent, add microweights 0.5 to 1, 0 g near the head to move the center of mass forward. Doing so increases aerodynamic stability. After each change, test by spinning the dart on your fingertip. If it wobbles, adjust weight or glue until rotation is steady. You finish with precise trimming and stage testing to confirm improvement. Trim 1/2 to 1 mm from the tail to sharpen the exit profile, then fire 10 test shots at 5 meters, watching group tightness and consistency. If groups tighten, you're done. If darts wobble, pop, or veer, reseat the head and remove small amounts of weight or swap in a fresh foam body. These fixes target the common causes of instability. One key tip: if problems persist, replace the head first.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.